Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. What we're going to do today is we're not going to fix anything, but we're going to repair these kind of headlights like this. All right, I'm going to show you a way to do it yourself. It's real easy. Basically all you need is some 600 grit wet sandpaper, wet or dry sandpaper. You need some 2000 grit wet or dry sandpaper, and you can get these at AutoZone or whatever. You're going to need some sort of like cut up t-shirt for the final product, a folded up piece of napkin, and this is one of the key ingredients. It's kind of like a real fine scratch remover. I believe you can get this at AutoZone as well. Alright, first thing we're going to do, we're going to start with the 600 grit sandpaper. Alright, so profuse amount of water. We need a ton of water. This is the key. So you're going to spray water on these headlights like so. Now you're going to want to keep every single bit of sandpaper away from the paint, so be very careful. A lot of people, even what they do is they put masking tape right here to protect, but you want a profuse amount of water, and just go real slow in a circular motion, keeping a lot of water on your work. Make sure you got plenty of water, and be very careful with the paint, especially if you love it, because it will scratch the paint. And as you can hear, that's more scratchy. That's more where there's more clouding going on. So spend some time in those areas. They're especially rough feeling. Now I'm not pushing very hard. If you push too hard, you could remove too much plastic. Can you hear that? All right, and I'm being very careful not to hit the paint. So my fingers are right at the edge right here. But after this, you're going to be very delighted to see the road again. It just takes some time. Probably you'll spend about 5 or 6 minutes per light, depending on the severity. Okay, so we're gonna switch from the 600 to the 2000. But as you can see, if you could compare the two lights right now, as you can see, it's already double what it was a minute ago. All right, so we're gonna start again with the 2000. Again, keep it wet. And this is just the 2000 is just gonna help when you polish these with that polishing solution. It's going to help. Again, being very careful around the paint. All right, so check that out. It's even better. What we're gonna do is, I want you to go ahead and rinse that off with the water. This is your final sand. And what we'll do, compare again to the other side. Look at that, it's like you got a brand new headlight already. Okay, then we're gonna repeat the process on the other side. And when we come back, I'll show you, well, we're gonna finish both, and then I'm gonna show you the polishing action. Okay, so once you're done with the sandpaper, it's still gonna look bad. It might even look worse than it did. But get a towel, all right? We're gonna get the water off. Don't worry about this. This comes right off. It's real easy. It's just paint, not paint, the plastic of the headlights. But anyway, you want it dry before you start polishing. And see how ugly they look, but do you see there's a difference between ugly and then ugly and yellow? There's a difference. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get rid of these little micro scratches. Everything's kind of smooth now. It was really rough, but it's smooth now. Okay, so what you're gonna do is, I don't know how you're gonna find this stuff. I ordered it off Amazon. It's called Novus Fine Scratch Remover. It came in a pack of three different types. You can repair CDs with it, but this is what I usually use. Okay, I put a little dollop right there. I might need more, but work yourself. What you're gonna do is you're gonna apply this in a circular motion again, and this time you're gonna press a little harder. All right, we need more than that. These are kind of big headlights. Good. Once it's on the napkin, it's good. This one might need another round. I didn't get deep enough. Remember earlier I was saying that this was really feeling rough, and that's because it was really deteriorated. This is a good workout too. Some people use toothpaste. I've never tried that, but it might work. This is where the magic happens right here, so we're gonna pay more attention to this. But yeah, I might need to touch it up again with the sandpaper. This one's really bad. And what you'll do is you'll finish it up with the buff. So far, it's better, but we're gonna make it even better than that. We're gonna go over it again with more of that 2000 grit right in here, and right in this area. Let's see how the other one turned out. I actually spent more time on this one. I'm almost out of my solution. I'm gonna need to get some more. And I'm using small circles, pushing kind of hard. Not hard enough to crack it, obviously, but yeah, this side turned out way better. I need to hit the other side again with that 2000 grit. You'll see the difference in this one real soon. Right about now. Look at that. It's like almost brand new. But the other side needs a little bit extra. So that's what we're gonna do. But it's all fixable, it's all good, and it's easy, and it only took us about 30 minutes so far. So again, we have to spend about another 10 minutes on that one, but that one's ready to go. All right, we'll see you next time on my channel. I Just Fix It Myself.